All of them will come to carry the money, Nigerian money to do anything, and God will punish all of them. Thunder fire on them, make head open swallow on them.
Is it just me that keeps asking why Asabuja keeps speaking up for Igbos like he is truly Igbo? Well, newsflash, he actually claims their identity. Gabriel Asabuja is an Ikwerre son from Rivers State who has publicly declared himself Igbo, advocating for the unity of Igbo-speaking people in the region. But here is where it gets interesting. Some people from Ikwerre strongly disagree with that identity. So the question now is, who really is Asabuja and why is he so vocal about Igbo matters? Now, if you've been following his videos, you know that Asabuja is not just an ordinary voice online. He is widely known as a former Niger Delta militant leader, an agitator, someone often described as a freedom fighter, and in recent times, someone playing a kind of vigilante-style role in protecting communities. And from the way he speaks, you can tell he sees himself as someone on a mission. In his recent videos, Asabuja has taken a very strong stance on security. He has openly warned bandits and armed groups to stay away from the Niger Delta, spoken about protecting local communities. He has also positioned himself as someone ready to confront threats. Now, whether you agree with these methods or not, one thing I know, he is not staying silent. But here is the part that is really getting people talking right now. In new videos making rounds, Asabuja has started calling out Igbo billionaires, and not just casually. He's asking direct and uncomfortable questions. Why are they silent on key issues affecting the people? What role are they really playing in the development of their communities? Are they doing enough considering their influence and wealth? And honestly, the tone, very direct, very bold, no holding back. So do you all agree with him calling out Igbo billionaires like this? Or is Asabuja saying what needs to be said, or is it going too far? Drop your honest opinions in the comments, let's talk.
I greet people of Nigeria. I greet people of the world. Mazi Asabuja is greeting you. Mazi Dirty Water is greeting you. The Amusu of the Chorobi, the Mazi is greeting you. The Kwikwi of the Seller, the Mazi is greeting you. Man with that today in pocket in the kind of waka, Mazi they greet you. And they greet honor for everything when my fans, my loved one, both the one who hate me, they talk about me. They let they do left hand for old age. I have never involved in robbery, stealing, kidnapping, raping, any dirty work. Verified from Division Police, Area Command, and State Police. They let they do left hand for old age. If you want to set me up, frame me up, no wahala. Say because I talk truth. And I don't go stop to the talk truth. I go talk truth till you reach the day where I go enter ground. When God say come, Chukwuka come and say come. I go stand on the truth, reach to the day where Chukwuka come and I go say come. The one that they lavish our money, honorable member, it no go well. The one that they use our money, they do like say on our own, it no go well. Politician, the one that they do our money, and the one that they do us. Or that they do like so and they see us. See President Ahmed Tinubu will promise us light. Today na solar day for us. For Villa na solar day here. He go where? He say if he no give us light, make we no do wetin, make we no vote for am. And they look on am. And they sing on it. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. Mandate where they sing. Which mandate? Mandate of poverty. Mandate of hardship. Mandate of promise and faith. Mandate of no power failure. Mandate of no road. Road no day. No tie road. Water no day. Now those mandates. Mandate of if you talk through they come arrest you. Now in that. I'm sorry for Nigeria. Masses wake up for this one. Young and old make we wake up. Enough is enough. They don't too much. Person they die 2 times. They suffer. The hardship don't too much. Mama and papa, young and old, they don't too much. They don't too much. See See how our boys, they busy. They press computer, they bomb. They never sleep for night. When he talk, he say that they bomb. Me too, I don't join them, they bomb now. As we dey throw bomb. We don't dey throw bomb for Boko Haram. We don't dey throw bomb for bandits. Because of hardship, money no dey. Everybody want press. Everybody want do Yahoo. Everybody want bomb. Everybody dey bomb. Nights, they never sleep for night. Now laptop, now phone. No be hardship cause am. No be poverty cause am. No be promise and fail cause am. Now you cause all this thing. They form EFCC here to hold politicians where they chop our money. EFCC, they busy, they hold Yahoo boys. Leave the one where they keep our money. Now Yahoo boys, EFCC, they busy, they hold. But give account for waiting they arrest people. We don't know. EFCC, they give account. Now we they see. Now we they see. If you don't support president, EFCC will hold you. You don't support the sitting president, EFCC will hold you. EFCC turn to government hold. Nothing we not go see for this country. EFCC turn to politician. This one now like this. And I never see how they do us. Everyday killing. Everyday killing. Everyday killing. Everyday bye. Everyday bye. Oh God. I talked last time here. How that small boy, they use our uniform men. See escort and convoy, they reach 100 and something vehicle. He no be president, he no be governor, no position he hold, nothing advisor he no be, nothing in be. Oh, now he dey see for Nigeria. He dey like this for that country. He dey like this. If he no carry come, go see him come for. If he no carry, now his wife go carry. Go see his wife come for. Nigeria, wake up, oh. I do love Nigeria. I do like Nigeria. No be like this, so Nigeria, wake up. Now all this thing that the Carlos finish, say no go green. Now all this thing. This marginalization, where the Carlos see, now man the Carlos go, mba. Nka adịghị mma, nka ajara njọ. This one no good. Na all this thing. Power dey one side. Power no go round. Igbo man never become vice president for years upon years. Igbo man never be president for years upon years. They use Igbo, they fight Igbo. They use Igbo, they betray Igbo. Because of little appointment, little contract, little peanut. Just as they give chief president 10 billion. They are worth 10 billion or 7 billion to them. Their heads scatter. Tomorrow they say the billionaire. Tomorrow they say the billionaire. Say people will be billionaire. Who make you billionaire? He get money. He get money. Chief priest get money. Obi Kubana get money. Ordinary 7 billion or 10 billion. All of us are change character. You get money. Packaging. Now we dey see. You get money. God punish all of Nigeria. All of us will come to deceive Nigeria. All of us will come to scatter Nigeria. All of us will come to carry the money, Nigeria money to do anything, and God punish all of us. Turn the fire on her. Make head open, swallow on her. All of us will come. You don't want to build Nigeria. You come to destroy Nigeria. You come to scatter this Nigeria where they switch like this. Where God bless, you come to scatter them. God will punish you. I don't go back for this time. Thunder will fire you anywhere you did. You and your family, your generation. All of us will come carry our resources to do anyhow. Carry our money. The flesh, they do anyhow. The poor people there, they suffer. They cry for rain and sun. And they use us anyhow. God will punish us. You know, go where we turn. Thunder will fire on her. See mineral resources. See that data. We turn to watch night and watch day. They watch pipe. Oil in our own. Oil pass our frontage. Oil build our backyard. We turn to watch night. Go Goni. Go Goni land. Go Eleme. See where oil everywhere. Oil don't come out. Oil they come out for ground. Oil they come out for ground. Go so many villages in Nigeria Delta. Oil they come out for ground. If they busy, turn us to watch a night, turn us to watch a day. Or are they busy? They loot. They loot. Do Nigeria well, make we close man. You don't really do them well. Renew Nigeria, so we go close man. You don't really renew Nigeria. Only you and your loved one. Only you and their OES member. Do Nigeria well, no way. Verify Nigeria, no way. So you today there, they follow them for back. The youth of Nigeria, make gonna wake up. The youth of Nigeria, make gonna wake up. The youth of Nigeria, make gonna wake up. Young and old, wake up. The thing is not too much. It's not too much. Not be like this. Make gonna renew Nigeria. The Gabriel Asabuja say renew Nigeria. Gabriel Asabuja say renew Nigeria. When I travel go outside country, when I travel go other country, if I see how the country dey, ah God, I dey cry. I dey cry if I see how the country dey. It dey pain me. Tomorrow you go say we be giant of Africa. Tomorrow you go say we be elephant of Africa. Now like this. How well it be, how the thing they go. When somebody talk now to find one allegation put for your head. When somebody say this is no good, now to find something to do the person. Why? Now the Carlo talk through now like this. Now the Carlo, may God bless you. May God protect you. You will not die. You will live to come out from prison. God has done it already. The Mazi, now I make address like this. I am the Mazi. I am Mazi Asabuja. Mazi Detewota. Mazi of the Amuso of the Cholobi, the Mazi. Make we live tribalism, make we live sentiment, live this one, live conspiracy, live all this one. Make we work in unity. Make we bring everybody, come, make Nigeria live together. It invests me. The one that they do Nigeria, they invest me. If I go other country, see how things dey, it dey worry me, it dey pepper me for body. It no go well. We get this money. See our airport, see our airport today. See road. From Lagos to Benin, go see road. Road no dey, but the money dey there. People wey dey give am go chop the money, and nothing go happen.